Hey, if I'm on your FYP, congratulations. I'm your new Tia. I'm fixing to show you how to make a quick and simple Rotel cheese dip in the crock pot. Football's coming up. We gotta cook for football season. So get your pendeja beater 12,000, hit that follow button, and come on, let's go. Start by heating up your pendeja beater on medium-high heat. To this, you wanna add a little bit of oil. A lot of people keep asking me, Tia, why do you add oil to a pan if you're just gonna cook food that's already got oil in it? Because it'll stick. This is stainless steel. You need some oil. I know what I'm doing. Y'all saw my credentials. Y'all see the credentials on the rest of my videos. Y'all should know that I know what I'm doing by now. Don't question Tia. Okay, then get your 15-year-old crock pot and start heating that up. You want to heat this up on low. Fucking work, damn it! Then get your crock pot liner and just put that in there. A lot of people ask me what this was for. This helps clean up. It helps to make cleanup easy. That is, unless you're overly aggressive with the fork when you go in there and mix stuff. Don't use a fork to mix, use a spoon. Otherwise you'll just have a mess on your hands. Once your pan is hot, men, don't get excited about this part. Get your meat. Grab your sausage. Grab your meat and your sausage, and we're gonna throw that in. I'm using 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef and 1 pound of mild sausage. You can use hot if you want to. I'm using mild because I'm gonna put some salsa in there too. And just break this up and allow it to brown. While your meat is cooking, get 2 blocks of Velveeta cheese. Yes, I'm using Velveeta. Yes, it's processed. No, I don't care. We're just gonna cut this up. Right here, I've got my knife sitting in hot water. Why did I do this? Because it's gonna help any of that cheese residue that gets stuck on here to come off easier. And it just glides really easily in the cheese. You just want to cut that into blocks. Do they have to be perfect? No. You want them to be similar. They don't have to be perfect. I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. If somebody wants to say that they're perfect, get away from that person. You don't need them in your life. There's only one perfect person. And that ain't me, and that ain't you. And I accept you as you are. After your cheese is cut up, go ahead and add this to your crock pot. Add in about 1/2 cup of milk. Add in an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, preferably one that's not sticking to the wrapper. Add in 1 10-ounce can of Rotel. You can use hot or you can use mild. It's up to you. I'm using mild. Then you want 1 16-ounce jar of your favorite chunky salsa. You can use whatever kind of salsa you like. I'm using Picante, again, in mild. And just throw all of that in there. Yes, all of it. After your meat is finished cooking, go ahead and add this to the crock pot as well. You can spice this however you want to. I'm adding just a little bit of ground comino, about 1.5 teaspoons, maybe 2, and a little bit of black pepper, about 1 teaspoon as well, and 1/2. Can I stop now? Yes? Okay, thank you. Ask the ancestors. Then just mix this up and incorporate everything. Add your lid to this and let it cook on low. What temperature? Low. For 2.5 hours. After about 2 hours, go ahead and give this a mix. You want to make sure that all of your cream cheese is broken up and that it's well incorporated with that Velveeta. If this is too thick for your liking, add a little bit more milk. Tia likes it thick. Well, this is awkward. Just keep mixing that. Why are you looking at me still? I already told y'all I was cochina. Y'all didn't believe me when I first said it. I really hope that y'all believe me now. That's just how I am. Once that's melted, you can go ahead and serve this up immediately, or you can wait another hour or so, but just put your crock pot on warm. Once you're ready to eat, just serve this up. Now this is best served with those thick corn tortilla chips from the carniceria. Let's grab one and take a bite. This is so good. If you've tried this, let me know. I'm gonna go get a flour tortilla I'm gonna start dunking it in there. I'm gonna go eat.